I think where I get going back to that like pressure to that we have for like our persona to be a certain thing for people so that they can latch onto our message or whatever. I think the reason that I feel weird about that is because then it's easy for people to be like, "Oh, well, she doesn't even wash her own, like she's high maintenance and she's privileged or whatever because she has money and like you don't really know what it's like for me." And in many cases I don't because I'm not a single parent who struggles to make ends meet and things like that. So I'm the first to admit that I don't know what that's like. But people have a tendency to not want to listen to the advice or wisdom or whatever I am giving that has nothing to do with the fact that I get my hair washed. I know what I'm talking about when it comes to fitness and nutrition because of the years of experience and all, and everything. And I will simplify it to you to the point where you can do it even if you are the single mom who has very limited time and very limited resources. But as soon as somebody learns, well, she goes and gets a blowout, which is what it's called when you go get your hair washed and done. Then it's like I can't relate to her anymore. Like she doesn't get me, and so it's like this weird balance of like uh living my life the way that I want to live it. And we are very simple in most ways, but that's like one of those bougie things that I do, that I get a little bit nervous about people finding out about little things like that because then they immediately like don't trust you anymore because you're this bougie whatever person. So